Hey, it's Todd, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Certbot and Let's Encrypt for free TLS certificates on your Oracle Linux instances in the Oracle Cloud. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so to get started with Certbot and Let's Encrypt, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a domain name set up on whoever's doing your domain name hosting and point it to the IP address of your instance in the Oracle Cloud. The next thing you're going to have to do is add an ingress rule to make sure that ports 80 and 443 are allowed through your virtual cloud network. The next thing you want to do is head on over to your instance and SSH into that instance and make sure that you have ports 80 and 443 open on the instance firewall itself. So to do that, you just run a few commands with sudo firewall command and make sure the firewall is reloaded. I'm going to go ahead and turn up a simple HTTP server here and show you that it is running on the instance. So as you can see, I have a very simple HTML page that's just returning a simple string, and this is over a non-secure HTTP connection. Here, there are many options we have to install Certbot, and there are a lot of distribution-specific packages. But to make things easy on ourselves, we're going to use the manual install method because we can pretty much be assured that this will work on pretty much every distribution out there. So once we've downloaded and moved and changed some permissions on that manual installer, we're going to actually run it. So we'll do that with this command, and as it runs through, it's going to ask us a few questions such as our email address and the domain name we'll use, and we'll populate those out and be good to go with some generated certificates. So now that our certs are generated, we can go ahead and move those over to our home directory, and at this point we are ready to turn our web server back up and use that new certificate. So if we launch that web server again and we come back to our browser, if we check out the same exact site using HTTPS, we will see that it is responsive and our connection is secure, and we can view our certificate directly in the browser. And that is how to get up and running with Certbot and Let's Encrypt for TLS certificates.